Namaskar and good morning. Today we will do some office yoga exercises. The exercise which you can do sitting on chair to avoid especially our lower back pain and cervical. Okay. To avoid cervical, some gentle exercises which you can do sitting on chair are put your hands and then press. With your hand, press your head and vice versa. There will be a vibration. You can do it reverse and can hold for at least 5 to 10 seconds. This can be done sideways, vibration must be there, and up and down like this, stretch and down, rotation of your neck, left and right. You need to do it gently, hold for at least 5 to 10 seconds in each position and keep breathing. You can do it up and down, inhale up, exhale down. Rotations without making full circle, you can rotate. If you have a cervical, you can avoid the front bending like this. Putting your hands like this and making big circles. Try to make big zero with your elbow like this. You can do it 3 to 5 times and do it slow and with breathing. Don't hold your breath. Big circles. Then join your hands like this. Inhale up and exhale down. So you can repeat this exercise. It hardly takes 2 to 3 minutes. You can do it sitting on chair in your office. Maybe 2 times a day. Stretch it down. In every exercise, hold for 15-20 seconds and breathe normally. And repeat it twice or thrice. Relax. Make a fist. Thumb inside. Straight. Stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can do up to 10 and then reverse. Reverse. Bring both the hands in front. Touch. Reverse. Bring your right towards left. Make a firm lock and twist. Twist. You can do it twice or thrice. Again join. Reverse. This time left towards right. Stretch. Stretch. Relax. Now some exercise for your lower back. Make sure you don't sit longer than 1 hour. After every 1 hour, if you are sitting longer than 1 hour, it is dangerous for your health. Sitting is neck smoking. So after every 1 hour, you just stand up and stretch. Do one simple exercise, integrate into your lifestyle. That is 1 hour stand. Okay. And then cross your hand and stretch it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Count to 10 and then walk like this. Walk like this. Okay. So just make it a habit while working in office. Always stand after 1 hour. Stretch your hand and walk, keeping your hands behind. Now few exercises for our back sitting on chair. The first is called the Marjari Asana or the cat pose. It is very good exercise. Slightly come in front. Put your hands behind your back. Half hand on hip. Okay. Then inhale and start looking upward and press your back in such a way so that your tummy comes out like this. Of course, it is already out. Press. Look up and try to bring your elbows behind and try to touch them like this. Then come in front. Now suck your stomach inside, create a curve in your torso and bring your elbows in front and drop your head. This is called cat pose or Marjari Asana. Again inhale, push your lower back, elbows behind, look upwards and press your back. Stomach is out, curve should be in torso and press. It can be done in 2 ways. One where we hold it, now without holding. You drop your head, release your back, hands in front, push up. Again exhale, push, elbows behind, push. So this is without holding. Inhale is when you go up and exhale when you go down. Okay. You can also rotate your shoulders simply like this, clockwise and anti-clockwise. And one movement is, this is only shoulders. Now one movement torso along with shoulder, like sit like this, and when you bring your shoulders in front, torso will go behind this area, and when this complete torso comes out, shoulder will be behind. So this is exercise for shoulder, upper back and lower back, a complete exercise like this. Okay. Now next, for your back as well as your hip joint, okay, bend your right leg, put it like this, your left knee, one hand on the knee, other on the ankle joint. Inhale up, keep your back straight, go down and try to touch both the hands on the ground, and drop your head towards the knee and touch on the ground, and stay for some time, 15-20 seconds. Inhale up, change, and again touch, inhale, back straight, put both the hands on the ground and drop your head towards the knee, stay here. Relax. Next exercise is side twist, in which join your feet and knees together, okay? With your left hand, lock your right knee firmly. This should not move, okay? Locked. Now your right hand, your lower arm, put it on the backrest and then twist like this. Your shoulder should come at a 90 degree, more than 90 degree of your lower body, and this is fixed. Look behind. Maximum. Stay for some time, then touch it here and bend. Maximum. Lower arm resting on the backrest, lock and twist. Relax. Something for your stomach also. This will release the extra air out of your stomach, so it is good for your digestion and acidity. Catch one leg, press it very hard on your stomach, then touch your chin to the front portion and stay. You can stay here for 10 seconds to 20 seconds, and again press it very hard, touch it, stay for 10 to 20 seconds or maybe more. You can do it with both the legs also, but then you need a support, okay? Bend both the legs. First put it on the chair, then cross, catch, and then slightly lift your heels like this. See, like this, and touch. And stay. And relax. So these are good exercises to avoid your cervical, upper back pain, lower back pain, or you can combine also with the eyes exercises, some breathing exercises also. So this will be good to practice at your office. Thank you. Namaskar.